Hello, welcome to week 10. We are on the downhill slide, y'all. We're knocking some stuff out. We only have 5 or 6 weeks left, so don't give up. Don't give up. Push, push, push. Do not give up. Let me share my screen, and I just want to go over kind of what to expect this week. There's a little bit more due than normal. Every week we have our simulation training for whatever the chapter is that we're doing, and we usually have a guided project. Those two are constant. When we finish a unit, Word, Excel, PowerPoint Access, we also then will have a capstone project due. And that project, it brings all three or four of those unit chapters together into one project. So think exam, but not a test. It's a project. Um, so also when we finish a unit, we have a wrapping up discussion question. So we don't do discussions weekly. um, in this class. We do them at the end of each unit, so Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. So this week is that week for all of that. So you've got Chapter 4, Getting and Managing Data. You've got the Chapter 4 project due, guided project, not independent project. Make sure you're doing the guided project, okay? I can't stress that enough. Then you've got your Excel capstone project. Now you have your wrapping up Excel discussion question. So I've got a question in there that I want you to answer, and then I want you to respond to two classmates' posts. In order to get full credit, you have to do both. You have to respond to the question and you have to answer the question and respond to two students' post. I try to keep it lighthearted and fun. Don't just answer the question and then never go back. Always go because you only get partial credit, and it's hurting some of our grades sometime when we do that. And so make sure you're going after as many points as possible. Also, speaking of points, reminder that your simulation training, your chapter, the Let Me Tries, those are unlimited attempts. The goal is for you to master it, get it right. If you're following along in the videos that I make periodically, me doing the let me tries in the chapters, you'll notice several times I'll just mess it up. And I'm like, hang on, I got to stop and let me try again. Because this is a new book for me, and Excel might not be new, but this simulation is new for me. You're seeing me do it for the first time. And so you'll notice that I know how to do that. And then I do it and it's like, no, that's not what I wanted. And so then I'm like, oh, okay. It gets frustrating sometimes. And I understand that. Hear me. I do. But I want you to master the individual skills that the let me try questions are asking you to learn. If you get one wrong, don't just keep moving forward. Don't just give up. Go back, click the hint button, go back and read a little bit, whatever you need to do to make sure that you're getting it right and before you move forward, because it will help you tremendously in the guided project, and then it will help you in your capstone. So we've got all four things. I know it's more than normal. Don't wait until the last minute though. Okay. So we've got chapter 4, the let me tries in getting and managing data, the chapter 4 guided project, the Excel capstone, and then the Excel discussion question. If you have any challenges, need help, whatever, let me know. I am here for you. I'm happy to hop on Zoom and walk through a few things, whatever we got to do. Okay. So make sure that you're checking your messages and your emails, because I've been reaching out to a few if it looks like you're struggling a little bit. So most of us are actually doing really well. But anyway, I will talk to you soon. Have a great week.